Happiness is the key to success, not success. If you love what you do, you will be successful. Genius.
Success is not the absence of failure, it's the persistence through failure. Genius. Success is not about being intelligent or lucky. Success is about how persistent and resilient you are in the face of obstacles. Genius. Success is not the key to success. You have to be passionate, persistent, and stay focused. Genius. Success is not a one-time event. It's a continuous journey over lifetime. Genius. Success is not a one-time event. It's a continuous journey over lifetime. Genius. Success is not about being perfect. It's about being willing to learn from the mistakes. Genius. Success is not a gift. It's a reward for the hard work and dedication you put in every day, consistently. Genius. Success is not the result of spontaneous combustion. You have to set yourself on fire. Genius. Success is not what you have, but in who you are. Genius. Success is measured not by what you achieve, but by the obstacles you face and the courage with which you overcome them. Genius. Success is not a matter of luck. It's a matter of taking action. Genius. Success is not the end. Failure is not the fatal. It's the courage to continue that counts. Genius. Success is a universal formula, but a unique journey for each person. Genius. Being successful means that you're working hard and walking your walk every day. You can only live your dream by working hard towards it. That's living your dream. Genius. Success is not about how high you climb, but how you make a positive impact on the world. Genius. Success is not something that you achieve once and then forget about, but rather something that you work towards every day. Genius. Success is a continuous process of learning, growing, and improving yourself. It's about setting goals, working hard to achieve them, and then setting new goals and pushing yourself. Genius.